Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to Gardening Glory, your go-to source for all things green and leafy. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the White Knight Philodendron, a stunning plant with its unique challenges. We're going to explore some common problems you might encounter and, most importantly, how to troubleshoot and solve them. So, let's jump right in. Before we get into troubleshooting, let's quickly review what makes the White Knight Philodendron so special. This plant is known for its distinctive white variegation on its leaves, making it a favorite among collectors. It's a relatively easy plant to care for, but like any other, it can run into the following problems. Problem 1. Yellowing leaves. One of the most common problems you might encounter with your White Knight Philodendron is yellowing leaves. This can be caused by a few factors such as overwatering, lack of light, and nutrient deficiency. Make sure you're not keeping the soil too soggy. Allow the top inch or two of soil to dry out between watering. It is also important to note that White Knight Philodendrons thrive in bright and direct light. If they're not getting enough light, the leaves may turn yellow. Consider moving your plant to a brighter spot, but avoid direct sunlight. Sometimes, yellowing leaves can indicate a lack of nutrients. Try fertilizing your plant with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season. Problem 2. Brown tips or edges. Another issue you might notice is brown tips or edges on the leaves. The issue can occur as a result of low humidity, low-quality water, and over-fertilizing. White Knight Philodendrons love humidity. Dry indoor air can lead to brown tips. Increase humidity by misting your plant regularly or placing a tray of water nearby. Use filtered or distilled water, or allow tap water to sit out for a day before using it. Fluoride and chlorine in tap water can cause leaf tip burn. Excessive fertilization can also result in brown tips. Follow the recommended feeding guidelines on your fertilizer and avoid overdoing it. Problem 3. Drooping or wilting leaves. If your White Knight Philodendron's leaves start to droop or wilt, don't panic. It might be due to underwatering, inappropriate pot size, or root rot. Check the soil moisture regularly and ensure you're watering when the top inch or two of soil feels dry. Water thoroughly but avoid letting the plant sit in standing water. If the pot is too small, your plant may become root-bound, which can lead to wilting. Repot into a slightly larger container if needed. If you notice mushy, dark roots, root rot might be the culprit. Trim away affected roots and repot in fresh, well-draining soil. In conclusion, it is apparent that troubleshooting and solving common White Knight Philodendron problems can be relatively straightforward once you know what to look for. Remember, these plants are resilient and can bounce back with a little tender loving care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with White Knight Philodendrons, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from our plant-loving community.